Good afternoon. How y'all doing? We are having a community yard sale tomorrow, meaning that the way they do it in this area, you don't all set up at the same place. We have a entrance at the front, and so everybody just sets their yard sale up in their yard, and they put it in the paper, and everybody comes to your neighborhood for the yard sales. It's fantastic. So we have been cleaning out today. Oh my gosh, I got crap everywhere. I got stuff outside, I got stuff in here, I got stuff in the bedroom. I'm just, oh my gosh, I'm ready to be done. Plus the windshield on our scooter is plastic, of course, and it got that haze on it, you know, like on the car lights, on the lights of the car. Well, oh my god, that took all day. But they make a special stuff for plastic, and it got it almost completely off. It's awesome. But tonight we are going to have stir fry. And I know stir fry ain't no big deal, but I don't use noodles like everybody else. So just hold on a minute. I have an electric wok too, and I know you're saying, where the heck do you store that thing? Because we don't use it all the time, but I probably use it at least once a month. So it stores under the bench right there. So I know my kitchen is a mess. Look at this. My house is never this messy. I'm about to pull my hair out, but it's 7:15 and I got to cook dinner. So we're gonna use bird's eye stir fry. Alrighty, I'm gonna put it all in the pan here. Got me some chicken. I'm gonna fix that in there. Put the veggies in. Let that cook. And for my noodles, and no, I do not use the MSG stuff that's in it. We just use these noodles without that seasoning crap that they put in here, because you already got soy over there. So we use those noodles, mix it all together with our veggies, and it is awesome. So hang with me and I will start preparing. Okay, I got the chicken all cut up, and yes, I always forget to use these. Scissors for cutting up meat is fantastic. Makes for a quick cut up. Haha. What I like about getting the bird's eye stir fry mix is that there's enough in here for me and Mr. Childers to have two meals out of it, because it comes with the 2 packs of the mix, which is awesome. I usually add water chestnuts, and I don't think I have any. Chicken out. Oh yeah, I gotta turn that over. Alright, sweet. Let's see. When you can cut the chicken up easily. Oh, it's fogging up my camera. When you can cut it up easily, means the chicken is pretty done. So I am going to go ahead and put the veggies in. Alright, hold on. The other thing is, it comes in a Ziploc bag, and I can put this back in the freezer. There the veggies are. Okay. Yeah, buddy. I'm going to put a little bit of water in here, and I'm going to put this pack in there. Yeah, this is the soy sauce. Sometimes with this mix though, we feel like we need a little bit more soy sauce. So we'll see. Mr. Childers likes his broccoli cooked soft. So here we go. It takes about 11 minutes or so to cook. So we shall see how it serves up. While that's cooking up, I got my water on to boil for the noodles, which only take like 3 minutes to cook. To boil for about, I don't want it to boil that much, so I'm going to turn it down to medium. and let it cook for about 3 minutes or so. While we are waiting for the meal to cook, look at my bedroom. What a mess. We've got stuff everywhere. And it's because I cleaned out from under the bed because we're having this yard sale and we just want to get rid of a lot of stuff. And I wanted to make room because we're going to add a battery bank, sealed batteries, people, under the bed. So, yeah, got to have room for that solar, you know. Look what I came across when I was cleaning out. We had a running joke with some missionary visitors. So, anyway, we always try to have fun. You got to. Life is too short not to. But dinner is ready, so let's go check it. Okay, the noodles are ready. And I believe the stir fry is too. Let's check it. Oh my gosh, look at that. It smells so good too. Man, somebody's got to come up with smell-o-vision. Yep, somebody's got to come up with smell-o-vision. Oh yeah, I like it. All right, let's get Mr. Childers in here and see what's what. This man's been working so hard he fell off the roof roofing. Yes, he's helping our son. Oh my gosh! I didn't know it was that bad.
It's bad.
Well, how is it?
I'm good.
Yeah? Yeah, he likes his Chinese food. His Oriental food.
I like it. It's good.
Sweet.
I like all kinds of food.
Did you have to add any more soy sauce?
Yeah, I put a little bit.
I told him sometimes we put extra on ours.
I put a little bit of this in there.
Yeah.
So
Low sodium.
Low sodium.
Yep.
I don't like to overdo it. It's just a little flavor.
Right.
Very good. Outstanding.
We've been working our tails off today, people.
Oh yeah, every day. Every day. Your work day.
Whew. So, we about done with all that though, right?
This month, I'm hoping.
So we can get back out there with y'all. Y'all give us a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe. And tell your friends about us and share. Thank y'all.